for slow. I love you.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's another video. Yes, I said it, another video. So right now it is Monday past the weekend. I didn't really vlog the weekend. I went home to Detroit from Illinois, so I'm at Shimona's house, and I rode the motorcycle and all that. I could have got some nice GoPro footage for the first time on my motorcycle, but I don't know, I just was lazy or something. So we're about to hit the road. My first load is going to Colorado, so, and Shimona's gonna be with me, so this is gonna be interesting, fun. So yeah, so right now we're just packing up some stuff for the trip, and I might move. See, yeah, come here, vlog. You see the vlog? All right. So you excited for this? Well, you're not excited? Go travel the country. Travel the country and make more money than me while doing it. That's crazy. Isn't that crazy, Shimona?
What's happening, man?
I don't know what Max need for relax. Before him get a beating.
You literally did that to me.
Before him get a beating. I didn't do anything to that guy. So we're just gonna clean all this up.
Yes.
Put it all in the car, hit the road, jack. All right, guys, what are you doing? You trying to look good, Shimona? So we're gonna meet up with my dad. That's his truck over there. Woo! Hey, you know, this is my first time actually seeing him like out on the road.
Really?
Cause like we're always like close by each other, but we never like got to you know. Got to like meet up each other. Yeah, watch him. He's looking out the window to the wall. I gotta go off duty before I call. Max, no, you cannot come. No, you can't come. I'm sorry. Oh, that good, man. You look like a tired to my youth. Perumala. You look like a tired, sir.
What's up?
Boss, you're fun. Yeah. That's what I tell you, the first time since we do it since we link up on the road. Eh, so how am I gonna know? Alright guys, so we're almost to Colorado. I'm gonna get there today. And Shimona just went in a rest area to go brush her teeth. I'm making some eggs for us. Is it, man? With some noodles. I got these type of noodles right here. You can get it at like Walmart. It's a really good pack of noodles, vlog. So check that out. Make sure I add a little bit of seasoning to it, and I might move. You want to say something, Max? I got Max shaved so you don't like shed a lot. So stay tuned. I might move, vlog. Alright guys, so we by the Salt Lake and she wanted to touch it, so I'm not going over there though. Look at her hiding, YouTube. Watch it, Indian foot.
Are you serious?
Alright guys, so we are in, where we at? Colorado, headed to Sacramento, California. Drop off this load. You're excited? Your first time in Cali?
It's not my first time.
Alright vlog, so we outside, we have to brush our teeth outside, right? But Shimona is afraid to do it. Why are you afraid to do it?
I'm not afraid. I don't want to do it.
Nah?
I don't want to do it.
Come brush your teeth. Right there. Right, Max? So, I'm at the shipper right now, you know what I mean? I'm at move. Trying to get the load. They say the shipper. That's something. Yeah. Good time forward. Yeah. Come on, I don't know where the restroom at. Boss.
Hey, what a cutie.
Thanks, man. Alright vlog, so we had to take a detour and now we in some tight roads, tight turns. I ain't gonna lie, man, this type of driving is not for no rookies, you know, not for no green man.